Hey guys, welcome to the 10th lesson of the Tabla lesson series. We hope you are excited. Previously we have learned Keke Tete Kena Tete. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a new bowl. We hope you are excited for this and we hope that you have practiced the previous lesson perfectly too. Before we begin today's lesson, if you are new to this channel and like the content what we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the bowl will be tak tete tete tak tete tete tak tak. Over here, tak is the combination of two bowls which are ka plus na. It is important to note that these bowls are very important to set your fingers with your tabla so that you can play the tabla as fast as possible. Therefore, kindly practice them daily and very precisely. Therefore, let's see how it is played. Well, that's how it should be done, and with this, we are ending today's 10th lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will get the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends as much as possible. Tune in with us in the next video with the 11th lesson of the Tabla series. To be notified when we upload the next video, should go down and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video very soon.